Riri. I'm a plus size model and a self-taught and freelance makeup artist here in North Carolina, and I love Lime Crime lipsticks. Oh my gosh. Well, I think all they have is liquid matte lipsticks, but I love them so very much. They have an amazing range of shades. They're pretty standard in price, like $18 to $20. A lot of times they do really good, amazing sales, and you can get them for like $8 to $10. And I just love them. They go on beautifully. They feel nice on the lips. They last all day long. They don't break down, but they don't over dry the lips. Of course, all matte lippies are going to dry your lips. That's what matte lippies do. But I love the formulation, and they're super comfortable, and yeah, I just love them. Anyways, today's unboxing is the June Boxy charm, and this is the BoxyLuxe. If you do the BoxyLuxe, it is every third month, and you'll pay an additional $28.99 added on to the $21.99. So it makes it $50 every 3 months, and this is our summer edition. I'm so excited. This thing is really, really heavy this month, like super duper heavy. Ooh, I already see some, what the hell is that? I already see some good stuff. So this month is Getaway, and of course everything's going to be on the back, and we don't like to look at that. We don't like any spoilers, at least I don't. So I'm going to take this foam padding out, and let's jump in. Oh my god, lots of good stuff. First up is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminate Viso Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. Oh my god. I'm super excited about this. Their Truffle Therapy like cleansing stuff that we got, I think, in Ipsy a long, long time ago. It was like a mini one. I used it and I absolutely loved it. The smell is slightly off-putting, but I also don't like mushrooms or that kind of earthy, musky scent, but I did absolutely love it, so I'm really excited about this. I'm also all about, of course, hydration and stuff like that. Matter of fact, I'm about to spray some on my face, honey. Shake well before using, 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Close your eyes and it becomes dewy. It can be used to set your makeup as well as hydrate throughout the day. And this would be something that I would keep in the refrigerator. I've mentioned multiple times that especially in the summertime, look, it's hot. It's hot in motherfucking North Carolina, yeah, okay? It's hot. Real hot. So I like to keep my hydrating sprays, refreshing sprays, mists in the... There. Oh, that's super fine. In the refrigerator. Yeah, it still kind of has that... It's just a scent. It's a very light scent, but you can tell that it has kind of an earthy, musky kind of scent to it. But it feels really nice. And it did definitely hydrate my skin. All right. Already excited. Next is a Dr. Brandt. Love Dr. Brandt. Biotic Balancing Complex. Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Make sure I read that right. That's what that looks like. I am going to obviously assume this is a full size. I do love Dr. Brandt. I don't know what's going on with all this stuff. It looks like someone dropped it on the damn floor and stomped on it with their shoe. But let's make sure that it's not been opened or fucked with. Okay. Still safety sealed. Hallelujah. Excited about this. And the Tula kind of probiotic cleanser that we got, I think last month. I've been loving that. So I'm really excited for this. Next up is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture Styling and Finishing Spray. I won't keep this. I don't really need the texture or anything like that. But if this was the dry shampoo, I'd be all over it because I love their dry shampoo so much. And again, this is a full size and they're expensive. Next up is a Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. That is what that looks like. Let's take it out and look. I can't remember. Again, you guys know I try to really stay out of stuff. Well, it says made in Korea. But there was a product. I don't know if it was Boxy or something in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Y'all let me know if you know which one I'm talking about. But supposedly there was... Oh, that's pretty. As it looks like very heavy, very substantial glass bottle. That's super nice. And I do love pharmacy stuff, the little honey cleansing stuff that we've had before. I love it. So, back to what I was saying. supposedly there was something in an Ipsy bag or a Boxy charm or something like that that was not the actual product made here in the US or made at the specific company, and people were saying that it was like a fake product and it was made in China and had additional or not ingredients that are supposed to be in it. I don't fucking remember, and I don't know. I don't really care. I feel like this: if you don't want to use it, don't use it. Plain and simple. The fuck is, what is this? Tristique? Trying to figure out what it is, guys. Good Vibes mascara. Oh, hell no. Okay, this is supposed to be a mascara, and you like flip the thing down and push it up. Let me tell y'all, I sell Avon, okay? We came out with this about 8 years ago. Maybe not that long, but a very, very long time. And it was a piece of shit. I didn't like it. I don't like, you know, mascara is mascara, guys. Like, let's not, you know, reinvent the fucking wheel. I'm not going to open this. I'm definitely going to pass this along. I think little gimmicky things like this are just that. They're gimmicky, and I don't like them. And that is really bulky packaging and stuff. I don't like anything about this. So we're just moving along. Next up. Please don't tell me this is what I just bought. This is the Touch and Sew No Poreblem Prime Essence Calendula Flower Extract. I'm trying to make sure this is not, that's what it looks like. Sorry, guys. I really think this is the thing I just purchased, like the full size of. Okay, no, it's an extract. All right, cool. So that is what that looks like. I love the Touch and Soul stuff. I want to read about it real quick. Actually, it doesn't say anything on it. That's great. We'll wait till we read the card. But it's a full size, and I really love their products a whole lot. Like the little primers and stuff that we got in, and like the rose water stuff. I love it very much. God, there's still a lot of stuff in here. Next up is a Dominique Cosmetics. Is this a matte lipstick? I have no idea. It just says Dominique Cosmetics. Really beautiful outer carton, and it's in the shade Peach Tea, whatever it is. Oh, it's a freaking gloss. Oh, it says lemonade, though. That's actually really cute. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. We all know how I feel about lip glosses. They suck. Okay, it didn't sound too sticky coming out of the wand, and it didn't pull like a little string. So maybe it's not quite as, yep, it's sticky. It smells really, really nice. It smells like cake batter. So that is what she looks like swatched. I always, you guys, if I swatch it on my hand and it kind of like sticks to my hairs and makes my hairs kind of pull up, it's a no for me. I know that it's stupid. I understand that glosses kind of have that tendency, but I have tried a few in the past and currently that have no tackiness to them. I just don't like it. My sister's name is Dominique, so I'm going to hold this for her and give it to her for her birthday because Mama ain't using that. Next up is a Tarte Tartist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. I already have like their original one, I think, from BoxyCharm a long, long time ago. That is what it looks like. Very substantial, very heavy. Kind of like that soft, kind of like sheeny matte. Oh yeah, that's really cute. But I kind of feel like I already have this. But we got a different one, the very same type of thing. I think just like a different version. So you can see some blushes, bronzers, and the highlight. The only difference in this and the other was that that one didn't have a blush and it had cream products in the bottom of it. I mean, it's amazing to have, and I think just this by itself is the cost of the entire box, but I don't know that I will use it only because I already have all these Tarte shades in the things that I have. So I'm gonna have to debate that. And then this thing, I have no fucking clue what it is. I don't even know how to say that. Oh, PYT? I'm gonna assume that's not a word. It's just, yeah, let's see. Oh, it is a mini blow dryer in like a cool orchid shade. It actually feels really nice. Again, it kind of has like the way that the Tarte palette has like kind of like that soft, I don't know, it's like a weird, it's like a soft brush thing. I'm probably not going to give it a unless I go online and a lot of people say that it's been really good. Only because I have a bomb ass hair dryer that I love, and I don't dry my hair but maybe 3 times a year. So keeping this for me is not worth it at all. So that is it for this box. We're going to read about a couple of these items. I definitely feel like you get your bang for your buck here. I mean, this, I'm definitely excited about these products right here, and that's enough for me to like really love the box. The rest of the stuff, okay. Oh yeah, and the no problem. I love this too. So that's a nah. I'm not going to use it, and not even going to open it, mess with it, touch it, nothing like that. And then this, of course, I will show you all the one that I already have, which if you get Boxy, you already know it. And sorry, I'm out of frame, guys. So this was the original one that we got. And like I said, it has the cream contour, the regular one, and then highlights with no blush. But I also have the big cheek palette from them, so I'm probably going to pass it along. I think it would be an amazing gift for somebody in my family, or, you know, one of my fellow beauties. But let's read. Let's get this big, gigantic box out of the way. And let's see what we got. All right, the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3 is a value of $45. And of course it has blushes, the Amazonian Clay Blush, and then blush, highlight, and bronzer. The Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with calendula. And this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth, and it's $23. I would absolutely be using that. I love that kind of stuff. Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss is $17. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. This sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. PYT Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer is $85. $85. Hell no. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer is powerful, portable, and lightweight and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz, and lock in moisture. Moving on. Dr. Brandt's Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work, and that is $35, which is pretty standard for their type of stuff. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum is $58. Woo, Jesus. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acid blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. We shall see. The Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast is $29. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that is almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection as well. It is silicone-free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. I might try it now that I know that it is UV protected. The Trestique Good Vibes Mascara for $25. Oh man, treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing with your fun new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler and tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It is the first of its kind. No, it's not. No, it's not. And it's $25. It's a nah. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and some kind of rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing the skin's pH level, tightening your pores, and setting your makeup. And it is $35. So incredible value. Definitely super excited about a few of these products. Some not so much. Not trying to sound like an asshole, but you know, I'm not into gimmicky stuff. And it is what it is. But if you tried that Trestique mascara and you love it, then you let me know that you loved it, and more power to you. And I'm happy for you. And that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for watching. If you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.